Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to insert a photo in Excel. When today's video, I'm going to teach how to insert a photo in Excel. So this is very so if you're just starting off with Excel and you don't know how to insert a photo, to insert a photo in Excel, you can just click right here, click on insert. After clicking on insert, click on pictures. After clicking on pictures, click on place over cell right here, or place in cell if you want. But we're going to space over cell so it can be more wider. There we go. And here we have three choices. We can either choose from this device on our PC or stock image. We will use it in the stock image of the Excel, but now we're gonna use this piece. And we're gonna choose this one, then click insert as you do right now. There you go. Overlap the area of the cell. But if we choose the insert pictures, place in cell, then choose this one right here. As you can see, the image will just fit exactly inside the cell that we have chosen. So there you go. So those are the big difference between them. And right here, click on this device. There, there, there you go. And there we go, guys. That's how it works. Now click on pictures, and we can choose the stock image. Right here, here are the stock image. There you go. Here are the stock image. Our Excel something. There we go. Choose one, insert. There you go. There you go. And we can also choose online. And a quick tip for you guys, if you don't want to click insert and blah 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 stuff, you can just go to folder, then choose on the folder, then just drag it here, or maybe just copy it and just paste it here. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.